Hi, my name is Rebecca Osario, and I'm going to be showing you how to solve this problem. This is question number 3, and it says, what is the equation of the line that passes through points 3, -3, and -3, -3? So basically what we're going to do here first is find the slope. So I went ahead and labeled the points. We're going to label one point the x1 and y1, the other point x2 and y2. Now it doesn't really matter which one you label x1s or y1s or the x2 or y2 as long as the x1 and y1 are together and the x2 and y2 are together. So here I wrote out the formula, just changing y over changing x equals y2 minus y1 and x over x2 minus x1. So here I went and wrote in the values for the variables. So y2 is -3 minus y1, which is -3. So it's -3 minus -3. So here we know that x times x will be just plus. So here, oh yeah, sorry, I forgot the bottom is the x values, which is x2 -3 minus x1 3. Now back to here, negative and negative is multiplied as a positive, so -3 plus 3 equals 0, and then -3 minus 3 would equal 6. Now here, this fraction here, this says that there is no slope. So here we did part 1, and now we have to find the y-intercept. We have found the slope, now the y-intercept. So how do we find the y-intercept? Well, we write in the slope-intercept, the formula for the slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b, m being the slope and b being the y-intercept. So we're just gonna go ahead and pick any of these points and just plot in the y. So let's say I believe I picked the first one. So -3 would be the y. So just plug it in. M, the slope, is 0. The x value is 3 right here, plus b, because b is the unknown. So here we just multiply it out. 0 times 3 is 0, and this still remains -3. And then the 0 it's just cancel it out because it has no value. So it would come down to -3 equals b. So this here would be the y-intercept. So what we would do now is write out the problem, which would be in slope-intercept form, y equals m being the slope, which is 0, so we can't write anything there, plus the y-intercept, which is -3. So we would just write y equals -3, which would basically mean, if I could just draw a little diagram for you down here, basically mean that, let's see, 1, 2, 3, let's see, this is the y and the x, -x, and then negative y and -x. So basically what this means is that the slope-intercept the y will always be -3. So, I was about to make another mistake. So that means that the line will remain like this, with no slope, not going up or down any numbers. So you would get a thing of 0 slope. So your answer, the equation of the line will be y equals -3.